Alright guys, today we're doing a review of this Made Good granola bar. This is chocolate banana. You guys can see it's free of like eggs, all that type of stuff. And if you want to read it, pause the video. Nutrient panel, ingredients, and let's do a quick taste test. Alright, there it is. They're really small. And let's open this up. There it is. It does have an aroma of banana I can smell from. Not bad. It's got a hint of banana aroma and taste, and almost tastes like you're eating banana bread. So definitely check it out, guys. Any questions, comments, please subscribe to the channel.